Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, November the 17th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. 4 of them. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time so consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Okay, first one, the 3 star Sudoku. 3 star Sudoku number. This will be number 7464. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 28 printed digits. Should be an easy one. 28. 3 more than usual, because usual the 3 stars is 25. This one is 28. But it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. But with the 25 print digits, this one has 28, so I think it's 0 stars. 0 stars puzzle. I need to be faster than 14, maybe 30 minutes. We'll see if this is a 0 stars or 3 stars puzzle. All right. So let's get started. Okay. Mm-hmm. All right. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there, so 2 numbers left. In the first column, 4 numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing, 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright, can I do the same for here? Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing number in the last column is number 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in the last column. Should be there, so 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers. So 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, no 1 goes there. Alright, 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for 2 should be there. Then need a 3 here. Okay, 3 in this row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Yeah. The 9, the 5. Need a 5 here. Okay. And now. Let me see. 7. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 here. Need a 1 here. Come on. 3. 1, 3, and 6. 1, 6. Okay. Interesting. Need a 6 here. Okay. 8. Need an 8 here. And I need a 7 here. Two, need a 2 here. 2. Interesting. Need a 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next down, need 2 place left. 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. The 9 in this row, the 9 in the middle row. So the row above the only place left. 9 should be there. I need to find those numbers. Need a 9 here. And I need a 9 here. Now I cannot continue with the 9. I need 2. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 here. Yeah, I need a 3 there then. Yeah. Well. 1, 3, 8. 6 here. 1, 3, 8. 3, 6, 5. 3, 6, 5. 6 should be here. Come on. This is taking too long. Need a 5 here. 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and a 7. 2, 3, 4, and a 7. Need a 7 here. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and we have here 4 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 7. 2, 3, 4, 7. 2, 3, 4, 7. 2, 3, 4, 7. 2, 3, 4, 7. 2, 3, 4, 7. And look, we have 3, the 4, and 7 in this row. So one digit left should be the 2 then. Alright. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the third column, so no 2 in these. 3 box. So 1 box left with 2 should be there. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. 2 in the third row, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. The 2 in this row, the 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. Well, that was difficult. 3, 7, 4, 7. Okay. How about here? 1, 8. 186, 186, 186. Okay, this one is interesting. Well, these are 3, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5, 6, 9. And look, we have a 6 and a 9 in this row. So no 6 and a 9 in this box. 6 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. Okay. 5. We need a 5 here. No 5 here, need a 5 there. So 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those. Here should be the 5 and the 7 are missing. 5 and 7. Okay, 5, 7, and 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing, 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here, 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 6, 7, 8. Okay, cannot do anything here. How about the 5? Need a 5 here, need a 5 there, need a 5 there. 6, 6, need a 6 here, 6, 3, 5. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6. Can you look with 5 and a 6 in this column? No 5 and a 6 in this box. 5 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. Okay. Alright. I need to blow my nose. Okay, so 1 digit left. 1 digit left. No, 2 digits left for the 1 and 8. So here should be the numbers 1, 8, and need a 3 here. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there, so the 1 and 8 are left. Here also 1 and 8. Here I need a 6, I believe. Here, one of these 2 should be a 6. Okay, 5. Need a 5 here. 5, 5. No 1 here, no 1 there. The 1 should be there. About these 3. 3, 4, 7. 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7. 3, 4, 7. Well, we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above the only place level 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 4 goes there. So here should be the 1 and 8. 1, 8, and a 6. Okay. How about these 3 missing numbers in this column? For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1, 4, and I believe the 8. 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8. And look, we have 4 and 8 in the last row, so no 4 and 8 in this box. 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in this third column for number 1. Need a 1 here. Okay, 1, 1, need a 1 here. So 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 3 and 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing. No, we have 8. 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 5 and a 6, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 or an 8. Well, we have a 1 here, so this box should be an 8. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1. So this should be the 4 and the 8. Okay. No. 4, 8, and the 3 are missing. Well, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. We have 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. The only place level 3 should be there. So the 4 and 8 are left in this big square. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 4 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 6. Oh, 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. So the 6 and the 8 are left. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the 1 and the 6, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, this is a tough one. Not the 0 stars. Let me give this a 1 star. Well, 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Give this a 2 stars. Well, complicated. Oh, we forgot here the 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be an 8 goes there. And 1 box left in this big square for them 8. Now it's complete. Here. 50 minutes. Well. So nice one. This is a nice one. I thought maybe I could solve this within 40 minutes, but that's not true. Anyway, I like this one. If you like this too, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.